Lengi Khamsang, Tering ki nyendu sega pepa tingi lengi samlol ka sushiki ye, Tering nganzu parts of speech ki conjunction kor lalle de yo pare, kisi lengi tsugi nganzu nyamdula beginner to intermediate English grammar course nganzu YouTube channel digi thola, nyenge dal tange, singe, change chimpa ina, nganzu ki lopchen di nyon la truk tang tsawa lengi tsugi kingi yore, Tering nganzu dimba dicha di yo, kisi lengi tsugi nganzu channel thola thema thangbo pecho do chagi tu na, Khamsang yeming la kizom si yo, nganzu dunda takpa peke to ni inji jaya ki nye tong nyi tangi yore, lengi suso peke yo patang pege to ni inji jande yo paina inji kanzi channel thola subscribe naro na yentung le gi tizu di sat dawa da purbu chito chito nga da chege tola ngaran su channel to li yore la so ta tharing gi lopche gochu yi la so lenge nganzu gi conjunction se di sambol la pege na anta wara jin paina delta le di chadi yore ta di gi tewa khadi tengi yore la churo di lenge chu gi kodyon definition del chikta wara jina conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Ta din ang lo la chik chik thari sawa khari le la original clause se de khari le churwa. Ting ang lo che ma tugi lengi so lengi nyam dola dishe ga dinda. Yim pe ne ta thunda khala wor la original chik ni chik jam ni jopa ni chu jaria dingi gi kimala chu tewa tunge churwa. Tilang ang gi khari chadi yor na conjunction chadi yoris. Pene cha shawan lengi so this sentence jopa del chik sing na. Suzanne is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Suzanne la de khandis yorlana keme pe akuchigda amla pe akuchiris. Ta dikima de la ko ya Japanese the twinye the so chadir shipaina and chadir and meba rojin baina nganju kecha de khandis chagre. Suzanne is Suzanne is an amazing wife. Suzanne is a wonderful mom. Kecha ni chaswara yimpa ine dingi ki mala and jarne Japanese the chick nang lawara jimba ina ning jero complicated mewa shida simple tap deu khodi sambule yapu yo rojku dwara cheza nganju gi conjunction thindeshine pheju chi yo relar ta conjunction gi nganju la khari shu wor lawar jin eloquence to your speech speech the nyem lutaya kesa khari shi yo paine ya nyembu roji so reswa they allow us to form complex sentences instead of using multiple short sentences ra ta thangi la yo to jopa thungdong de kesa mangbu la mobo ethone chikecha yakpu chine tap deu chine jopa chikina lo kesa mangbu chi deu im paina nganjo digi ropasu gi chigorna conjunction gi chigi yores ro apena chasha waina Bran likes eating but he doesn't like cooking as he finds it boring. Bran la the country or la origina likes eating sa pe go yoris ina doesn't like cooking ina khala soya go yo mares karishine he finds it boring dikhu gi khala soya de pe nyop to thong yoris ta dikecha ni di kimala but le ina yang la di chik thure ani as karishine lana la di chik thurwa but the as ni the mebarishine khandi chhere Brian likes eating he doesn't like cooking he finds it boring manju gi kecha sending chunju ma chetu sambola kecha mangbola yo rojku dwara dige Brian likes eating but he doesn't like cooking as he finds it boring la origina joba de ringbo inji ke pe shu ya yo rojku dwara thinde manju gi khepar suya chigla conjunction delta de dus pheju chi yores ta conjunction la nganju yewa sumla che yore thangbo de khari chade yorna lel hashudi subordinating conjunction gongma chunthang ota nye de thuk sharwa khorun thuk shim bai ne subordinating conjunction thini correlative conjunction coordinating conjunction lela shu di coordinating conjunction la de chadire manjo gi chik chine taginda thangbo coordinating conjunction la de ta conjunction gi yewa delta khande rojire la warajina coordinating conjunction ni nganjola khari chira words that link other words phrases sorry conjunction la de kora tangi kondu shiba nashi chik cham ni clause ni sentence ni dige chu du achi yores dingi kima gi dewa tungi yores benasa shawarajina and la de kimala chikta ro and me padoshta and yope ga kheparta cats and dogs are animals kida shimi dige semje rela jorwa and the mena khandi chegre cats dogs are animals na kecha de khoche mindo cat is animal dog is animal lawani kecha ni chaswara chezang ta dingi di chik thongro da ning jero tanga lel haru tanga imbai ne kimadala and jiglo shawai na chara cats and dogs are animals kida shimi dige semje rela yoto ta tinde ro ngajo gi coordinating conjunction so khaje di yor la origina du ne lenge chogi lel hauchini hakhoya yor ro di khari la origina FANBOYS la the linga sugi shen sawa regina coordinating conjunction shen sare and le di thangbo khari chagi yore sorry fanboys le di f di khari chagi yore for a di khari chagi yore and n di khari chagi yore nor b di khari chagi yore but o di khari chagi yore or y di khari chagi yore yet ani s di khari chagi yore so di nganzo ki khari chagi yore na conjunction coordinating conjunction di delele charita nganzo ki chik 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 ito dan di khandi imba nganzo chik 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 chini taginda thangbo for fanboys ki f chiorwa for the khadu pichu chigor la original henge chugi jumse she imba ina ta chedule digi this is for you dikhiran chedule joro thadu thenda nganzo data 24 ki khwad dirang lochli gi yomare 4 ki khwad kharlana jumse khai sena la di pen cha original reason len thi dwara I have to find a new job ngalega sawa ji chego use ta jumse she hoywa jumse she di 40 hoyda for I am unemployed kharishimna nga thanda lemechis leswa and thang le di chayro and in addition to le di thang ran chaworwa I am a wife and a mother nga keme jeans ani ama jeans di ke jani de I am a wife I am a mother ni di jopani lamo wachine I am a wife and a mother li and gi tu swara di che nor in by na kharlana negative addition na de thang le di charwa ni ga yim by na and chaswa ni ga mai by na nor ke jani ga gakpa na le origin pena chashna neither my parents nor my friends love me ye phamayang ala gagmaris and ye thobo thomoyang ala gagmaris ni ga negative na le swa thudong anjo gi khari goyorlamna nor goyorta next but le dikharre yineyang but le ta khartangi and le ni ga positive nor le ni ga negative but le dikharlana contradiction le sambola chick positive chick negative jepa yineyang le digile dang derta pensashna I have got a house khangba chira sungs yineyang ta negative chirda I haven't got a car yineyang ngala kharre motor miss but ki leka chidandi or lana kharre tamga option na lir dara pensashna do you want flowers or chocolates kirangla flowers ko yamna chocolates ko ra or gilega di tamga gilega cheswara yet le sambola contradiction tadung yang le di chagorda pensashna he plays cricket well but yet he likes football wa ko ki cricket ya ko tigres tadu and ko khari or la origin football go your religion wa teacher so lana chechang consequences tongorda chechang lady she was sick monna diuris chechang so she couldn't come to the class chechang mojinda la le chung masos di dumpo di ngajo ki fanboys tangi la yo di FANBOYS di shinge poina coordinating conjunction ngajo ki shen thawa da chikpa chikyan da coordinating conjunction nangla du simple lelho susurang re dwara diran che the next dikharlana subordinating conjunction the subordinating conjunction kambula ngajo ki chik chik ligre clause se gi chik chik ligre the clause le dikhari lagi yore le chorwa thita origin clause le ding ngajo ki chik cham chik chokpa do jore yim pe ni an dinanglo la khari mesig re la origin chikora rangi khoash tungi re le chorwa di ngeden do jio mare pena chasha origin ngi thanda del lengi so gi kecha dus le du sambola khoa male origin di joba del chik sing nanda they played football it was sunny kecha ni yore ro kuchugi football se songs while it was sunny nima sharwe capsulas ta nima sharwe capsula la ni kecha de chikuchla na kecha di khandela goire khoa mixes tungi mindo yimpa ine ya they played football se song na kecha de khora rang la khoa do they played football lady while it was sunny la na mixe khoa mindo ara thike jopa ngajo ki kalore subject verb object du sha yo chyorwa thila yamna subject the verb chepu chi yo imba ina dila ngajo ki clause lagi yo resra clause ki khoa tungyo ya yo sentence na shi ya khoa te mejo yang yorta ngajo chikla tu ne ani ko khoa changma chae yo sentence na ko complete sense yo dila sentence le ro dicha ta clause ki ni thanda dishini gap swara chik khare la origin main independent clause la na khare la na chikhura rang ki khoa sorry joba khura rang ki khoa tu yo dila ngajo shemba chikla tu yo mare khoa thangbo di ra chedula ta ni pa ti khare la na subordinate clause dependent clause ra dependent la ti khare la na kogi kecha di jopa shimba chigla madu origina khora rangi khoa kheptigi omare chigi chopa dige odila manjugi dependent lagarta ta independent la main clause yang labgi yore dependent la subordinate clause ya labsu yorta okay tangajugi de chiksina subordinating conjunctions perform two functions in a sentence right lega ni chigure subordinating conjunction ge kharre they state the importance of the independent clause and provide a transition between two ideas within a sentence right thangbo di subordinating conjunction ge lega khari chigure lanna independent clause dila ne chu manga do chigla la rokpa chigure ni pa dikhar lana independent clause the dependent clause ni digi khoni ki mala transition yakbu chi khandi chegdu ke cha khwa changma chi khandi tigidu ti thawa changma tie gi dewa tyoeng gi delta dikhar rela origin subordinating conjunction res ta anjo gi tidang ni yor tarwa tidang ni dingi jala la che thangbo dil hangi so sentence del chik sida once she stopped caring about strangers opinions Liz became happier Right. That gets a thangbo di chiku chilta origina once she stopped caring about strangers' opinion. Mögi ming oma shimpa tsugi samchu karredo dila tunan je zam shawa ne sung la origina. Kwa mindo subordinate clause the dependent clause rida. Liz became happier la origina. Liz ki proton lana di kora la kwa doa. Right? Diye la tu sambola ta di ni su ki turo cheso once la di chezang once la di nganzo kari chayla na subordinate clause, right? Subordinating clause chadiyoris. Tangi pa dikhare. My mom cries whenever she watches a romantic movie. Right? My mom cries. Yamla ngures. Main clause. Tine whenever she watches a romantic comedy. Temo chik gaunyo gi temo ingyo yang chopi ingyo gi temo jorwa. Tinte khadu ta origina nge amla ngure le jorwa. Dingi ki madala tuwa chinye de dewa tenge dikharlam whenever khatu impa ine yang le de tangi lengi sola tangi tidani yor le chorwa dikharre la origina dependent clause dinge la ligi yo paina kora rangi khwa ma dengyo gi chopa chorwa clause dinge la ligi yo paina kyablo de la nganzu ki comma thigo yore odi chopa de la kisi main clause independent clause dinge la ligi yo paina comma goyo mare khaptu nganzu gi subordinating conjunction chiksha ani dependent clause dikharre ko khaptu thiere comma thidang gi khepar lagorta all right dicha ta nganzu gi subordinating conjunction kashi chinge dinal thiyo dinganzu chik chine thari nganzu taginda thangbo as well as la dikhar like do this and that Teta chapchik do teta nyam to le dirtarwa. She is beautiful as well as intelligent. Morning jamayandus ani kharido changbuyandus, right? So that la du nganzo gi che chang le di reason jumse shagor purpose la word tarwa. I work hard so that I could pass the exam. Nga kalepe use kharichine reason so that reason khare nga exe yuk thwe chedulas. Therefore let the carrier official is the therefore let the chesang reader and therefore the mancha on the carla origina chick yigitang and yesuna do that chick tosa dojigla shesagi number dojka nirterwa. I am ill, not use, therefore I can't come to the class. Chesang zindala cha to samare let to samares until lana carla up to the time to the chiki partula. Right? Example, you will have to wait until I get paid at the end of the week. Chirang gugu tugures kadipadula nga sanjugla laja marapadula kirang gugu tugures. Unless lana kare except if right kisi di machungwa ina lejo right teacher penetration you can't play unless you have finished your homework. Kirang jamase chogumares kadipadula kisi kirangi nangle di chema chana chamache chogumares while at the same time ta di chapchik tu le di chagorta. I had tea while you were in the shower ra chapchik dulana the ting master o di thije di rang la leje ra chirang shower so buchi de kapsala nga chatung de leje ra o di thije de las. Otherwise lana khalagore shemena or else lady come in now otherwise you'll get wet. Kisi chilo chawa do jagi yo paina tada anda namlo shosra sheba otherwise shemena kare chire chana lumba chigre bangresra as long as the kare lagor lana tells us why something is going on ra kare chini chik chung de do di kharishin chungyo pala de lagiyoris. He will do it as long as he gets up. Rakisi kugi ya lang to barojin baina kilaga di chire lagyo rwa. Dicha. As soon as lana tell us when something is going to happen. Kadu chungre ladi. Ta dinanglo lakhang yogyo like is the leswara. He will do it as soon as he has had his supper. Supper la dung onzo sito khala sa rojo chuju sumba shiwa ki mal khala ro cha da biscuit sa rojo ro dila supper le ro ta kyi kharis koi laga de chigires khadu bado kyi supper sa chawaina a koi khang yogyo chigire le cho ro diche. Moreover lana used to add information digi gangla ladir chagorda. It was a good car and moreover the price was quite reasonable. Mota de yabudus and digala tharung kharedu khongse de rembudus. Even if like a particular situation will remain the same no matter what. Khari chunga imbaine thithindirang digire like just your the line by even if less subordinating conjunction dipichu chiwer the penjashana I will go even if you forbid me to. Kiranginga forbid me to lan chema chwela woro kiranginga che choguma do chogum mare lawa do jimba ine yang even if kirangi lawa jine yang I will go nga duengis ra provided let it tanganjogi karla worlena the first thing will happen only if the second thing also happens ra karela na provided let nganjo fil kisi tasusugi chigi phajo de la lega che layer tro lega ni chi layer do jimba che ta ni wadi chi choi do jimba na thangbo di chigi la chuara dige je de la provided la word the penetration it will all work nicely dige changma yabu chungres kadubado provided that nobody loses faith in the idea tanang jo samgyo choro diga la changma gi iche mala waro jimba na ani chungres ta thangbo de chunga chudula niwa de chungo dwara thinde ke ni thue chudula provided la chigi bheju chigor tang jogi do le dikhar lena despite the fact thinde yimba inia le chuara dicha she went to school though she was suspended molopta ni nimma khashu dawa khashe sringala phat pi dwara chigyan cheyo binia ineyam do amine molopta to sumsto although even though or in spite of the fact thinde chutta dingi do or the although the thinde yimba inia le de chagorda although Tenzin was sick he went for work to work right Tenzin na de yo binia legal chinsus as if official reason jumte share do jik tiang jo tayan thangi therefore like you shasa do as if ladi sambola you look as if you have seen a ghost charang garedo charang gitanda thona jero the khande tula origina charang tonda thongyo roji du le jero diche hence na ta digi debu latan jumse latan ne digi debu kharimba consequences result kharimba le de la worda. His mother was Tibetan, hence his name Tenzin. Right? Ko amala Tibetan preparatious ani jumseng kharicharlana chezam kyugi ming de kharicharlana Tenzin charis. Meanwhile lana at or during the same time odi thuju dela le jora you can set the table meanwhile I will start making dinner. Chirangi toze dige gozuk shos chokze dige gozuk shos odi thuju dela meanwhile odi thuju dela nge kharichigo yegi konda khala suya go chugos diga nganjo subordinating conjunction cha ta thama dikarla na correlative conjunction ta correlative conjunction na dinga jo khanti or shupaina lengi jo dijik signa pair na lires cha la lire delta the either the or nyam do lire neither the nor nyam do lire not only but also rather the then ladingam do lire both and ninyam do lire so as ninyam do lire whether or ninyam do lire jobachi gi nanglo la word tarwa tiniga lir ta niniga lir la de sambola either or nyam do chigla jo to mar tarwa ni dala dot shado dinala sentence joba shaba le sigirta ta dinanglo la de chisinanda my mom and sister were ill ne amala da acha na desha niga na de dwara dinanglo langanju gi coordinating conjunction in pheju chedwa thanganju gi correlative conjunction pheju china khandi la yore both my mother and my sister were ill ta dinanglo la both nang and le de le swara ne amala da acha niga na deshas kesha niga dig di yor derwa yimbe ni both lady gang la jar ne ngazu gi correlative conjunction phu chewa ina kharila origin ne shuk cheru zara charo yo rosh nang dwara coordinating conjunction ke o den ro jila ga chigyorta ta dinang lo langi gi chik 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 chinel hengi sole ya go chin ni shi yaw do jim baina thangbo either the or lady kharlanga shows one of two ni nang ne chik la yo do thangi nganzo nor chiti ni ga mai bala swara either or lady ni nang ne chik ingyo la gorta penetration na either you are a dancer or a singer yangna khena she thamye jireshas yangna tangye jireshas the singer the dancer gi kimal option re dwara cheza either or gi to down di duscha tangansu gi neither nor lady gomasu neither nor lady karlena shows none of two niga member ina neither the nor jarer the penetration neither you are a dancer nor a singer kena she tangye yang maridu thamye yang maridu la choro niga member ina neither nor ni nami chi gimba ina either or diche the whether the or ni dikhadu lire shows no difference ra keja khari imba ina niga la khewache mejo imba ina whether the or ni phejo chigior the penetration whether you read or not I don't care ra kira yi lo na yanda malo na yanda I don't care nga khewa mindu le chor ra cheza khewa mejo tuen chedula whether the or keja dinde ki mala not only but also le dinga ju khadu phejo chigior la na this one or that one okay this one or that one to di dang phagi yangna niga le choro di chagorda you are not only my friend but also my brother ra chira ngi thopo chikpuchi maris ngi gi chocho yang res ra niga di yang mase phagi yang le choro dila not only but also ta as le dikharre comparison durwa imbaina penetration she is as beautiful as the moon mugi zeme kheju joro dikhande ro dula origina dawa do dus as le di beautiful yo pati khari da dursum dawa da durswara didu nganjo ki as ta di let's shoot le di piju chinge nyung re imbaina yam piju cheware ji imbaina lengi sugi lapcha do ji ga imbaina let's shoot penetration study hard lest you should fail ra lobjong la between chess shemena kare chire fail ligir das labja ge dwara dicha anga ju dingyam dola tharingi coordinating conjunction ge gongma chu coordinating correlative subordinating conjunction korla lobsin de thari du stoji shai alhengi chugi ni dun dipatu sensin nang shu yo paina ning thawan elhengi chola katin chele ni shui tharingi lobse lingi chola phento potho do do shu yo ni re wa chi ye ma pheng le subscribe now you ne in subscribe now ne perona Instagram dola follow nangi me paina learn English with Kizom anyoga ga ngarang ger ki Instagram gi khajang sumga dewala shayo panala ya follow na ro nang len shui ajma gi relationship lobsin chi gi nal heng samai ker de je gi re wa chi ye tibadalingi sangma chabu chi ni shurna anchinyam de inji jan shurna